Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Mermaid Gifts is probably one of the most enchanting ways to spark joy and imagination in any young girl who dreams of underwater adventures, shimmering tales, and mystical ocean friends, making it essential to find that perfect item that truly captures the magic of the deep blue sea and brings a splash of fantasy into her everyday world, creating unforgettable moments of wonder and delight. Number 5. Townley Girl Kids Makeup Set Mermaid Bag. Unleash the magic with this enchanting kids makeup set. It's designed to inspire creativity and fun for every little one. Discover dazzling lip gloss, vibrant nail polish, and shimmering body glitter. All these essentials come packed in a charming mermaid bag. Searching for an unforgettable present? This set makes an ideal birthday gift. It's sure to bring joy and excitement. It's perfect for party favors, fun makeovers, and exciting sleepovers. Let them explore their imagination with friends. Created especially for girls ages 3 and up, it ensures safe and delightful play. They will adore expressing themselves with these fun cosmetics. What we like? This set offers safe, washable makeup specifically designed for young children. If you're looking for a fun, age-appropriate introduction to makeup for a little one, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for playdates, parties, or just imaginative dress-up at home. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. Number 4. Sparkly Mermaid Sequins Notebook Set with Lock. This diary is an ideal gift for all ages, perfect for capturing memories, notes, or secret thoughts. Its convenient size makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Crafted with a unique design, this notebook features handmade reversible sequins on both sides. You can create different words or patterns, making it truly your own. Made from high-quality materials, it offers 160 lined pages, perfect for both writing and drawing. Plus, it includes a lock and keys to keep your private thoughts secure. Every child dreams of a special place for their thoughts, dreams, and secrets. This set provides just that, complete with a lock for ultimate privacy. This isn't just a diary, it's a complete gift package. It includes the sequin diary, a mermaid scale pen, a bracelet, and a keychain, all beautifully packaged. What we like? This diary set provides a private space for thoughts and dreams, complete with a lock and key. If your child loves to write and cherishes their secrets, this offers both creativity and security. It's an all-in-one gift that encourages personal expression and imaginative play. What people say. Number 3. Weirtoya 56 PCS Washable Scented Markers Unicorn Kit. Discover a world of color with this amazing 56-piece art set. It includes a variety of markers, crayons, stickers, and stamps, all neatly packed for endless fun. This kit comes with a magical unicorn case featuring 4 zippered compartments. It helps keep all the art supplies organized and is super easy to carry anywhere. Designed to inspire imagination and creativity, this set makes an unforgettable gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion, bringing a wow moment to any little artist. With a wide array of colorful markers, crayons, and stickers, it encourages kids to explore their artistic side. This set is ideal for girls aged 4 to 8, perfect for individual or collaborative art projects. Parents will love that these markers are washable and safe for kids. Each one has a fun, fruity smell, making drawing and coloring even more delightful. It keeps young artists happy and busy for hours. What we like? This extensive art kit features a wide array of washable, scented markers and crayons. If you have a budding artist who enjoys vibrant colors and unique sensory experiences, this set will keep them engaged for hours. Its convenient travel case makes it perfect for creativity on the go. What people say. Number 2. Barbie Fantasy Dress-Up Set. Step into a world of enchantment with this incredible dress-up set. It brings beloved fairy-tale characters to life, inspiring endless stories and creative play. This set includes a beautiful doll and 3 complete character outfits, a majestic royal, a shimmering mermaid, and a whimsical fairy. Each look is designed for magical adventures. Inspired by a delightful candy kingdom, she looks absolutely sweet in her vibrant, candy-colored ensembles. Her royal attire features a sparkling pink bodice and a long, glittery skirt, perfect for grand celebrations. Transform her into a stunning mermaid with a snap-on swimsuit top and an ombre tail. Decorated fins complete this aquatic look, ready for underwater escapades. Or let her imagination take flight as a graceful fairy. This costume includes a charming bodice, a flowing skirt, and glittery, candy-detailed wings that snap right on. Beyond classic tales, you can mix and match pieces to invent unique characters like a mermaid fairy royal. With her, the possibilities for storytelling are truly limitless. What we like? This set comes with a Barbie doll and 3 distinct fantasy outfits, a royal, a mermaid, and a fairy. If your child loves imaginative storytelling and dressing up dolls, this provides endless possibilities for creative play. They can mix and match pieces to invent new characters and adventures. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to fulfill the request. Number 1. COSUSKET Mermaid Tail Blankets. Crafted from the softest flannel fleece, this blanket offers unparalleled comfort. Its gentle polyester microfiber won't irritate delicate skin, ensuring a cozy experience for all. Designed for year-round enjoyment, it provides warmth without being too heavy. You can snuggle up with it comfortably in any season. Looking for a unique present? This is more than just a blanket, it's a magical gift that brings joy to kids and adults alike, fulfilling dreams of becoming a mermaid. Experience superior quality with its unique design and vibrant, cascading colors. This premium fabric makes it the ideal snuggle companion, day or night. More than just a throw, it's a comfortable sleeping bag with a sewn tail and super soft lining. Your child will love wearing it on the couch or snuggling in bed, adding a touch of magic to their day. It's perfect for staying cozy at home, adding fun to birthdays and sleepovers, or making travel and movie nights extra special. This versatile item brings warmth and imagination everywhere. What we like? This blanket is crafted from super soft, skin-friendly flannel, designed as a cozy mermaid tail. If you're looking for a unique and comfortable way for a child to snuggle up, this offers warmth and imaginative fun. It's perfect for movie nights, reading, or just lounging around in magical style. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to select top points as the source content was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.